Orders like the mail, baby. All we do here is send. Alright, so it's Sunday. It's late. Got up a little late today. I redid a little bit on the hot side. I kind of changed it up just because I didn't like the way the turbo was sitting. It was kind of like angled down. It wasn't right. So now it's up a little more so I could cut a hole in the hood for airflow. I don't have to mess with the headlights because I kind of want to keep the stock headlights. And it's more like tilted, like because I didn't want it straight on. I kind of wanted it offset just because that's, I don't know, that's just me. So it's offset a little bit to this way. You can kind of see it. And I didn't realize, but the flange for the Motion Raceworks throttle body on the 3-inch like V-band thing is aluminum, and all I have is stainless. And I'm trying to get this done as fast as possible, so I just bought a 4-to-3. I bought the attachment barb, the 4-inch barb, a 4-to-3 coupler, and I'm just gonna run stainless with just couplers, no blow-off valve because my flanges are aluminum. So that's just how it's gonna be for now with no blow-off valve. It is a ported case or whatever it says to protect against compressor surge. But I won't run it like that for long until I get enough money, and I'll buy a kit of aluminum and do that. And then I'm making a bracket that bolts to the head like right here. It'll bolt right in there, and then I'll take like 3/4 inch stainless rod and go from that bracket to here on the flange, and then that'll be its own bracket. It's a long way to go, but it's 3/4 inch thick, so I think it'll be all right. And then since I can't do the cold side today, or the charge pipe, I'm probably gonna wire in a fan and also do my discharge. I gotta do some tiltage on it, but the discharge and out somewhere over here. But yeah, I'll figure that out. Dude, I'm getting pretty fucking good at this wiring shit. I mean, I'm doing the fan right now, and I got a diagram. I'll probably insert a picture like right here. It's not even a diagram, it's just like what to hook it to. So I got my, here, I'll show. This is just temporary. I have my solid red to solid power. I got the white just jammed in there because the white's gonna go to switch power. I have my, because it's gonna be a ground output from the Holley ECU, so I just have the black one just like kind of sitting there. Yeah, it's sitting right there. And then that didn't cut my fucking my Chinesium Amazon Kmart fan didn't come with the plug for that, so I just got to use spade connectors. I'm probably gonna tape the fuck out of it just to keep it kind of sealed up. But then the blue is my power to fan. I robbed that wire off the old fans over there, focus. And so when here, I'll see if I can set up on a tripod. So I got everything kind of jammed in place, but so here's my ground from the fans, and you can hear the relay clicking. Oh, you can hear the relay clicking kind of, but here's my ground from the fan and the plug, and the blue one, which is the power off the relay, is that what's that into? And this black one off the, the black one off the relay is what is going to be connected into the gray and yellow wire from the ECU. So what I would do is, here, where's ground? This is probably ground. I could take, you can hear the relay, or so here's ground on the fans, and then, and then it shut off when the Holley ECU takes off the ground output. So when the output clicks on, which is the gray and yellow, which I already said probably. Whoa, shocked the fuck out of me. Started to get a little burn right there. But yeah, you get the point. I'm getting pretty good at this. Not bad, not bad. So I never realized, but the reason it wouldn't start is because I never had fuel in it. So I put in like 2 gallons, and I already fired it a little bit, and it almost wanted to start right away. Dude, it's gonna be loud, so fuck yeah, get ready. Turbo just hanging there.